Well, it's happening. They're mulching, getting ready, clearing the spot for the shop. Fingers crossed, permitting goes well, everything else. Yay! All right, so before the dirt comes in, this is the graded area for the shop. The topsoil got pushed back, and we've moved some of it out of the way. And then they're going to bring in compactable, compressible dirt versus what we have here. There's a clay substructure with sand, and then on top it's considered loamy, and that's what the topsoil is. And you can see some of the clay and the sand in what has been dug up. So they're going to put compressible dirt. Not sure what that's going to look like. I have a feeling it's going to be red mud here in Georgia. But this is, you can see the corner. There's my stake. And they dug out here, and there's my stake. Which means that they're not quite in the right spot, or it's not quite big enough. But this is the spot. And they're working on the substation behind me. That's what all the equipment sounds are. So there's the future home. Yay! So here is, ooh, too much shine there. Here is graded dirt in place for the shop. Yay! Came in and tackled it today, knocked it out. It's solid as a rock without it being rock yet. Very exciting. We're getting closer and closer by the moment. And other steps are underway and will be taken care of very, very shortly. So excited! So Tuesday, they said they're mobilizing to come out to work on the forms for concrete. Yesterday was Friday. That's as far as they got. May seem like a lot, but there's supposed to be an additional footer out here for the lean-to on each side. And until I have a picture of concrete, the building people don't put the kit together to ship it down here for it to be assembled. It'll take like 2 days to put up the metal part. Notice the dates of the previous stuff where I said, we're excited, we're excited, we're excited. This is April. I'm not excited. Kind of hacked off. Because it almost looks like, you know, they don't care about getting my money anytime soon. Oh, and the guys that were working on this, I don't know where these bugs came from. The guys who were working on this, their truck, trailer, has a different name on it than the guy I'm paying, so. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.